What up? I'm back again with another video, and I ran a poll for what today's video should be, and Regine won. So I'm about to be introduced to Regine. I'm so excited. I know she's Asia's Songbird, so let's just jump right into Araw-Gabi. That'd be me with the lyric sheet, for real.
Wish 1075.
Di biro ang sumulat ng awiting para sa'yo, para akong isang siraulong hilo at lito. Sa akin pang mina ng piano, tiklado'y pilit nilaro.
I see why she has the name Asia Songbird, or at least in my opinion, why I think she's got Asia Songbird, because she's got a very sing-songy kind of high-pitched, just beautiful falsetto voice. Not falsetto, soprano, sorry.
Baka sakaling merong tono, bigla na lang umusbong. Tungkol saan naman kayang awiting para sa'yo? Di biro ang gawing sukat ang titik sa tono. Sampu man aking.
She has a very effortless vibrato as well, which is just so rich and so nice. Knowing when to use that is important.
Basta't hindi magbabago, damdamin ko sa'yo. Araw-gabi, nasa isip ka, napapanaginip ka, kahit saan magpunta. Araw-gabi, nalalasing sa tuwa, kapag kapiling ka. Araw-gabi tayong dalawa. Biruin mong nasabi ko ang nais kong ipahati.
Look at all the people outside the Wish bus there to see Regine. Wow, she must be really like a top-notch talent there in the Philippines. Look at the people outside the bus. She has a beautiful voice. It's kind of very fluid. She effortlessly switches all over the place and moves all over the place and runs everywhere, like she doesn't even intend to do it. It's just natural from her voice, from her talent, from her experience.
Dapat mo lamang mabatid laman itong dibdib. Tila 10 daang awitin ang natapos kong likhain. Ito ang tunay na damdamin, tanggapin at tingin. Araw-gabi, nasa isip ka, napapanaginip ka, kahit saan magpunta. Araw-gabi, nalalasing sa tuwa, kapag kapiling ka. Araw-gabi tayong dalawa. Araw-gabi tayong dalawa.
Oh my gosh, she loves this. She's enjoying this. I love seeing a singer who enjoys what they do, and you can tell that she absolutely does. Look at the smiles on her face. She's so happy. You can tell she has a singer soul. Oh, that run. Listen. A singer that can do these runs that effortlessly, I just love it. It's like their voice is fluid. It's like they can just do it like water. It just flows the notes all over the place interchangeably with no discernible pattern of where they change it. It just changed beautifully. Just love that. So good.
Araw-Gabi, nasa isip ka, napapanaginip ka, kahit saan magpunta.
Got a big smile. You know, it's also important. I learned this when I was really young, and it's always stuck with me. It is absolutely true. When I was in elementary school, my music teacher taught me this. If you smile when you sing, it causes your vocals to change slightly in your throat, and you'll always be on note. It causes like a slight raise in your pitch, and so it just causes that pull on your muscles in your neck so you can hit those notes. Smiling when you sing is crucial to hitting those high notes for real. Definitely changes the shape of your throat when you're singing.
Pinalalasing sa baha, kapag kapiling ka, araw-gabi tayo dalawa. Araw-gabi,
Her tone is so beautiful.
dalawa. Araw-gabi tayong dalawa.
Wishclusive on Wish 107.5.
I'm a fan. I'm a fan of Regine, y'all. Okay. Well, that song's going in my Apple playlist, and I'm going to be reacting to more Regine music. She is great. I love that high soprano and that fluid voice, and she knows what she's doing. She's a professional. I love it. I love everything about what I just heard, and I can't wait to hear more. I'm considering tomorrow doing like a reaction to some Filipino emotional commercials, like Jollibee commercials and stuff that are apparently very emotional. It was recommended to me. What do you guys think about that? Would you like to hear that, or do you want to just stick with the music, or what? Let me know in the comments below, and do all that YouTube stuff for me. Like, comment, subscribe, share, and I will see y'all in the next video. Thanks for coming on this journey with me, and I love you guys.